Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to pin your header in Wix so that it always stays visible at the top of your site, even as your visitors scroll down the page. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a pinned header, but it'll also look polished and professional with a nice background. This is a simple tweak that can make your website look modern and user-friendly, enhancing navigation for anyone who visits. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to select the header on your Wix page, so just hover over your header section and give it a click. When you do, you'll notice an inspector pane pops up on the right side of your screen. This is where you control all sorts of settings for the element you've chosen. It's kind of like the settings menu on your phone, but tailored for your website. With the header selected and the inspector pane open, look for something called Header Settings. If you can't see it right away, just take a second to scan the options. Sometimes there are tabs or drop-down menus to keep things organized. Once you find Header Settings, you'll see an option labeled Scroll Effect. By default, headers just move up and out of sight when someone scrolls, but we're about to change that. Click the drop-down next to Scroll Effect and select Freeze. What this does is pin your header, locking it to the top of the screen. Now, no matter how far down someone scrolls, your header will always be there, which is super helpful for keeping navigation links or branding front and center. Take a breath and don't worry if the terminology sounds a bit formal. Freeze just means the header won't budge as visitors scroll. After you've set that, let's take a moment to see how it works. Hit the preview button up at the top right corner. This switches you into a view that mimics what your site visitors will actually experience. Try scrolling up and down on the page. See how your header stays right at the top. That's the magic of pinning. It's as if you've got a sticky note at the top of your screen, always reminding you of where you are. You might notice, though, that the header's background seems transparent. Maybe you can see some of the page's content showing through. This can look a bit unfinished, like a window without curtains. Let's add a background to smooth things out and give your header a little style. Head back to the editor by exiting the preview. Click your header again to bring up the inspector pane. Now look for the media section. This is where you can add background images or videos. If you just want a color, you can do that too, but let's go for an image to make it pop. Click Add Image or Video, and a window will appear where you can choose an image from your computer or use one of Wix's built-in stock images. Select the one that fits your brand or the vibe you want for your site. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the background of your header change instantly. It's like redecorating a room in seconds. When you're happy with the new look, head back to preview and try scrolling once more. You should now see that your header stays fixed at the top and has a stylish background, making your navigation clear, consistent, and visually appealing. And that's all it takes to pin your header in Wix and customize it. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about designing your Wix site, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials to make your website shine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.